Today we're doing a monster truck video. And the first challenge is... You say it, bro. A monster truck video. No, the first challenge. Pikachu pancake is the first challenge. Oh yeah, I'll take you. I'm going to be filming. But I can't film when I'm trying to do the challenge. I'm such a light here. Okay, can you see everything? Yep, I think you can see everything. Okay, doing the challenge. It's easier when I'm just holding it. Okay, are you ready, guys? Where's the monster truck? Oh, the monster truck? Where'd it go? It's up there. Oh, it's up there. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Can they see it good? Okay, look at it if they see it good. If they see it good. Okay. Get it. Pikachu pancake! Woo! And now the monster truck has to climb on board. What does a monster truck do, bro? Nothing. Nothing. Oh. Well, that challenge was a failure, but okay. Woo! I'm a failure. Yeah, but the monster truck trying to do anything. Oh well. Okay. Next challenge. Let's go set it up. Monster truck is supposed to knock down Pikachu. Oh, okay. So it can knock down Pikachu and turn into a Pikachu pancake. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, never mind. Okay. Next challenge. And we're still using him. Next challenge. My little baby sissy Anna. Next challenge. Okay. We need to set up these Legos. Because it's next is the Lego challenge. Come on, let's go set up the Legos. Hey, got the vlog. I mean, my tablet. We're filming on my tablet. Let's say on the trampoline. Okay. Let's put it Plus, we really need to take off my shoes. My shoes are like Elsa's shoes, and they barely even fit me, bro. That's what I have to do. Ouch. Ouch, it's hot. Ah. It's literally like burning hot out here. We'll get it when we're done using the towel. Okay. Set the ball right there. Legos. But we need your Legos. You keep some of this. Okay. I will build the towel. Right now, he's going with blue Legos right now, like red and all kinds of Legos. Mitch matching it up. That's what he's doing. For the video, that's the monster trucks. I really wanted to do a monster truck. Our first video was what was it again, Mason? Lego video. Yeah, Lego video. It was an hour long. I can't believe it spent an hour. Well, yeah. Oh, okay. Squares. Nope. You have to use my squares. Okay. And you have more squares than me. Oh, I don't have more squares than you, but you only have this much. Can't believe you have so many squares. Wait, are the monster trucks gonna smash through it?
Yep. I'm excited. Don't you? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we need triangles. Lots of triangles. Actually, we need these. Do. Ah! Okay, that was a total disaster. Let's try again. You always need to try again.
Try again.
I don't know how we're gonna do this. What's going on over there? Oh, all the bangs. Let's get.
I'll keep them low.
I have one of those.
Okay, sorry guys. Had to turn around. Just a little bit.
We're gonna go over here.
Running out here. It's so hot today.
Sissy, can you get that monster truck?
Sure.
Play in those bushes.
One sec, guys. We'll leave you right there just for a sec.
Catch these ones. Those are calves, not monster trucks. Okay, I'm coming.
It's hot. It's hot. It's like 90 degrees today.
It's
Seriously?
tied up.
Nathan, what did you just do?
There we go.
Okay, let's start building. I'm gonna help him build.
All of the stuff over here.
You just put a bunch of stuff in.
Okay, face it over here.
Okay. Okay, let's start building.
Alright.
You help me build. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, you have to. We're just going with blue now. Y'all getting all the blue ones. We only have just a little bit. I think you should go on the top now. Because we only have
Okay, I don't
four
need
more.
these ones. Don't need these ones. Don't need these ones. Don't need these ones. We got a lot for the top, for up here. Here, right here, right here, you 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 right here. Okay. One
boxes. Okay. We're going to get 2 like that. Show them how we make them. So, how we make these little big blocks is we just get 2 of these and, yeah, makes one.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what we do, how to be creative. Always need to be creative.
That sounds like a bear scene in your head.
Masons. This is our second video. I'm gonna add weird. Put that on the bottom right there. That's where it needs to go. We have tons of these. Only how we have these 2.
Okay, that can just be like that. Okay, time for these. Triangle, triangle. Triangle.
Hey, I'm passing you some.
Okay. Triangle. Here. Ah! It's not getting good. It's not getting good, folks. Everything's falling.
We need 2 more, I think.
Ah!
How about we just don't have those? There you go. 2 shortcuts. Wait, we need 2. Here, we need. Excuse. We need one right here. Okay, let me see. Can you hand me some more of those? 2 more of those. Just 2 more. Okay, that. And like that. So they sit and hold like that. Expressive. Okay, we need just like about like 4 more. I mean 8 more. And so we have to read that.
I don't know. Do you have any more?
No, it's fine.
Oh, we have more right here. I thought we didn't have any more.
That's probably just enough for this. Or probably more than that. Then we need 2 more, so yeah.
Ah!
4 left. We need 3. Hey, here you go. Here, take 1.
Thanks.
Take 2. We would actually have 4 more.
Okay, time for this.
Okay. Time to smash through a monster truck. Woo! Which monster truck are we using this time?
The same one. Remember, do 2 challenges. 2 with 2. Okay, next one, we're not using this monster truck.
Okay. That one's out. We need to do another monster truck.
Woo! Wait, did you post it?
Yeah, yes, I posted it.
It didn't even posted it.
Look what it did. Woo!
It didn't even post it.
Yes, I did post it.
Oh, it didn't.
You're still starting, bro.
Well, only got, I said for you to do the whole thing. It only did me. Not the monster truck.
Okay.
Well, I guess our video's canceled.
Okay, next monster truck one.
First, we gotta put all of these away.
Yeah. But we have to get them in the right ones.
Yeah.
You were like blue and
You are yellow.
no, I didn't have yellow.
This is good.
So you get gray for you, pink for me. Okay. Blue is for me. Wait, no, that's fine. Okay, this is all for me. This is mine. This is mine. That's not. This one's not mine. This is my triangle.
This is mine.
Triangle. My square. My square. Those are my square. That's my square. These are your squares. These are your squares right here. Pop those on. These are Mason, triangles, triangles, triangles. I think I got all, but wait, I thought. Wait, these. Hold on, these two ones. These two. Okay, that's mine. I literally barely use it.
Hot.
Okay.
So hot.
So hot today. So
Yeah. Why did I got my?
oh, here's my more triangles. Here's some more triangles. These are my triangles. Okay, these are. Pick your right ones. Mine are golden. Yours, mine is white. Mine's blue. Yours is red and black stuff.
Wait, do you got
Wait,
a golden?
Yes, I have golden.
Oh, wow.
Golden.
Sorry.
Oh,
Oh, I'm so tired. So hot today.
Like there's water going
You
down.
got white?
There's water going down.
I'm gonna get a little water from you.
Okay. That's for our next challenge, but it's fine if he drinks some. It's his cup. But I'm gonna get a little drink too. You missed some. Ah! What's in the way? What's in the way of this food? Wait, did we put the ketchup? Because the next one is the fire. Oh, yeah, we left the ketchup in there so it would be freezing. You go get the ketchup, okay? I'll get the sauce. Next challenge is, I think, the ketchup challenge. I'm going to get a little drink. We'll do the ketchup challenge.
Got the ketchup. Sunny. Now we just need water. We will use this water cup.
This is going to be so gross. Wait, I need to get the post.
Oh, that's enough.
Ooh, look at that, folks.
Gross.
Ooh, disgusting. That
Now
is
we're gonna
disgusting.
pretend it's fire and dragon.
See it, folks.
Wait, Sissy. Why I got the water is for this. You have to put him out with the water.
Yeah, but how am I gonna film?
Put it like.
Before you do it, let me go put the ketchup.
Got the trap.
Wait, let me go put the ketchup away.
Okay. Are you ready? Set.
Wait, Mason, I want to see it too, so wait.
Okay. Oh. Okay, his mouth has to be open so he'll pretend that he's breathing fire. Oh yeah. Which monster truck should we choose? Wait. Okay. Sissy, why I'm dressed you up as Elsa? Because you are going to be standing there. You are going to be Elsa, and you were scared by. No, you were walking right next to me, and you saw a dragon breathing fire at you, and the monster truck had to put him out. But actually, you put him out because I can't carry it. Okay, are you ready? Film. Wait, you had to hi. Okay, now you get the water cup.
God, I have so much sweat back here.
Okay, starting now. Ooh. Okay, you have to put it.
Fire! Ah!
Shh. You can't put him out. You have to. She has to put him out. You have to spray water on it, and that will make him die. Shh. For real. Now get a little more. He's almost died. So right here. That's all. Whoa! Whoa! That was a good one. Woo! Woo! You let him dry in the sun.
Yep. Eat him in the sun place.
Dry in the sun. My shoes hurt.
Okay, 1 sec.
Pause it. I need to go get. That is a lot of water. Dude, that was dang cool. But now, it's time for the sand purchases. We need my kinetic sand and some more gold. You guys, you go up. Oh, there's a lot of wood.
Okay. I'm back outside, Mason. Right, you're letting the video do? Seriously? Mason.
No, don't get it with me yet. I'm not. I need to get the sand from the mom. Oh.
Woo.
That's a lot of sand. Okay, now I'm for his bed. Little more for him.
Okay.
I wish we just had a big box of sand we could just.
Okay, I think that's enough sand. But there's a lot over here. I'm literally so hot.
Let's go take over here. What?
I can't. I'm videoing. Filming. I'm a filmer, usually. That's a lot of sand. That's good, probably.
We need more sand.
I'm in a tank top. I'm in an Elsa thing, which is soft. Ugh.
And I'm in the jeans. Oh, so hard. So hot.
My neck is like sweating. My neck has water on it. That's why that's sweat. Okay, I think that's enough. We need to finish up this video, so Mason, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna go film somewhere else. Mason, I feel like this is enough, but my mother never listens.
You need to make a what for to make a huge volcano.
Okay, the trucks have their sand. Let's go. Come on, Mason, let's go. Let's go where the video is gonna play. Oh my freaking god. We don't need that much sand. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough.
I know.
Let's go.
I had to take a bath today. Even you probably.
Oh, I took a bath we took a bath like 2 days ago, bro.
Yeah.
We took a bath 2 days ago.
Okay, now we can make a volcano.
What?
This is water.
Oh, we're gonna have lots of flies. Put it on the table, seriously.
Put it on the ground.
There's dirt on the table. Look. Oh, seriously, big trouble. Dirt table. We're gonna get so much flies, we're gonna get in trouble. I'll get ketchup squirting. We need to squirt the ketchup.
Yeah,
Okay, Mason, you film, Mason, film. Take the camera with you. A tiny volcano, doll. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and show them something, okay? Yes, we're going outside. I'm gonna clean up. Get changed. I'm literally so yeah, I forgot to get finished. I'm like literally just like I'm just so hot. My room. Oh, he's doing that. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna go in my closet. So yeah, coming up from my closet. I'm gonna get in my clothes again, and yeah, see you just a sec. But now that I've all changed, bruh, I'm so hot. So hot there. Take up my plate. No, I'm just gonna keep my makeup on. So I need to get back to the monster truck video. But I just need it to train. It's so hot out there. How many times? Say it's so hot. So hot. Got McDonald's. Let's go. So nice. So nice. I'm gonna put my hair up instead because it's just better. Oh, I'm wearing these bracelets. So I might put up my hair with them because I don't have. What color should I do? Should I do white, purple, or blue? I'm gonna do purple because I love purple. That's my second favorite color because my pattern is pink, purple, blue. That's my real pattern, but I also like red and orange. It's my second pattern. Pink, purple, blue, and then red, and then orange because I like orange kind of. But my most favorite color is pink, and I also love purple. Okay, we need to get back to the video. Let's go. Let's go get back to the video. What the heck are you doing, Anna baby? What the heck are you doing? Anna baby. Back to the video. Wait, my shoes. My shoes. Back. We're back to the video. Back to the main video.
Ha ha ha! I put every video all the same to make everyone's videos. And wait, where's the water?
Water, get the water.
Well, you keep.
No, wait, the water's right here.
Oh, yeah, wait. Does it have a little bone?
Oh yeah. Here, I'll go get more water. You stay them tight. Talk to them or something.
Hello,
Bye,
folks. I know.
Mason, stop saying folks.
Hello, guys. This was a total disaster, but we're gonna fix this. Is there anything on me? I'm not sweating. So, you guys are going to. Yeah, so this guy, he can announce his thing off. He is a truck, and he's a monster truck. Oh, cool. He got everything to build and stuff. Yeah, he can roam around, and this thing can do it. And it also makes sand for the Hot Wheels. Sand in here to slow all the races down. Yeah, that's cool, right? This guy is so cool. Yeah, he's so cool. Try to distract them for her.
There you go.
Ha ha ha.
Here you go.
Let's do it right. You have to. You have to try to get the sand out. Sand out? Ha ha ha. When everyone trips over you, then you turn to my roller. So. My goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. We don't know how to water flies over here.
You get in so much trouble.
Okay. Everyone, make sure mommy and daddy does never come out here. So this is dry. Every time we first wake up, we have to check on this thing. Every time we first wake up. And everything off the ground. Okay.
At least over there dried. It's probably gonna dry maybe quicker. But this one's dried pretty good. Okay, next challenge. Let's go. Woo, ramp. It landed it too.
Yeah. You have to try to get in here from here.
Oh.
But we can keep trying.
Baby's watching. What are you doing, baby? Sissy?
Yes!
Wait, the folks didn't see it.
Oh.
I'll show them, baby. Ah. Ah.
Always try again. I don't
Try,
know
try,
how they
try.
do it. They do it with a launcher to get in here. Oh.
Come on, we want to see it.
Kind of like.
Woo! Okay, next one.
Okay.
Is it the ramping one next? We haven't done ramp.
Oh yeah, the ramp. Oh, you.
This is the ramp is
Wait,
the
what about
last
the
challenge.
Wait, what about the racing challenge?
Oh yeah. Okay, what are we gonna do one
This is
first?
the racing challenge. You hit everyone on the race down the slide. The quick.
It's a wonderful bee. Bless me. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, he won.
The snake bite won because he got the farthest in the glass.
Last challenge.
The green challenge. Last challenge. Challenge 10. He's fast. He can do it quick, and I want to get on. Whoa! That's so cool!
Okay.
He just jumps you and just hit it.
Okay, guys, Mason, come on.
Let's go. Okay,
for watching.